Good morning, students. Students, it's quite a long time we are apart from each other because of this pandemic. And because the pandemic is rising, we have to continue our work, our studies with online classes, online videos only. So, children, here I am today starting with lesson number 12. Pick the correct phrase. Here, children, the question is choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. The first one. Did you remember dash the parcels? Now the options given are to post, post, posting. Here we will use to post. Did you remember to post the parcels? Why to post? Because here we need a preposition to connect post and parcel. Otherwise the sentence will be incomplete. Now we come to second sentence. Nothing happened at the meeting. Dash it. If you look at this sentence carefully, a tag has been added at the end. Now, in question tag, there are two parts. You can see a comma in the sentence after the word meeting. Now, nothing happened at the meeting. This part of the sentence is negative. So the question tag which we will add is it should be positive. If the first part would have been positive, the question tag would have been negative. But since first part is negative, we will use a positive tag. And the tense of the sentence is past tense. Happened. We have added ed. The sentence has got ed in it. So it is past tense. So the answer will be nothing happened at the meeting. Did it? We cannot add didn't it. It will become negative again. Does it is present tense and did is past tense. So the correct answer will be did. You won't forget to email the files. Dash it. Dash. It is again a question tag. You can see the first part is negative. Won't forget. Won't means will not. So the tag will be positive. Can you, will you, would not you. Can you will not be correct one because the verb used is won't. Won't is the short form of will not. So the correct tag will be will you. Again the C is would not, which is negative. So the question tag, which is the correct one here, is will you. You won't forget to email the files, will you? Now we come to the fourth sentence. The fish is dash delicious. Here the correct word will be really. क्योंकि यहाँ किसी पर्टिकुलर फिश के बारे में बात की जा रही है जो वाकई में डिलीशियस था. The fish is really delicious. Next, fifth one. I cannot find my keys dash. Options given are everywhere, anywhere, somewhere. With not, we use the word any. So the correct answer will be I cannot find my keys anywhere. Now the sixth sentence. I would rather you dash to me like that in front of the customers. Not speak, did not speak, were not speaking. Now would shows past tense. So our answer will also be in past tense. I would rather you did not speak to me like that in front of the customers. It's a past tense structure. You can use you will have to use past tense to express your preference about what somebody does. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब है मैं नहीं चाहूंगी कि तुम कस्टमर्स के सामने तुम उस तरह से बोलती. नेक्स्ट वन, सेवेंथ वन, द कोर्ट डैश हिम टू 5 years in prison. इसका मतलब है कोर्ट ने सजा सुनाई. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी sentenced. The court sentenced him to 5 years in prison. Next sentence is eighth one. Can you tell me when dash leaving? Does the train? The train is the train. Now here the subject should come first. And in the options, B is the correct one because here the subject is in the beginning. Can you tell me when the train is leaving? Verb is after the subject, that is the train. Now the ninth one. It is about time we dash. It is nearly midnight. Options given are leave, left, are leaving. Now children, the correct option will be left. It is about time we left. It is nearly midnight. यहाँ past tense का यूज हुआ है left. It is about time we left. That means the time I should have left has already passed. मुझे जिस समय जाना चाहिए था वो समय बीत चुका है. That is why left has been used. He has been working there dash 10 years. Now, here we are talking about a period of time, a tenure. So we will use for. He has been working there for 10 years. अगर यहाँ पर होता he has been working there dash 1990, कोई fixed point of time होता तो we would have used since. He has been working there for 10 years. Now we come to the footnote. You don't sit on a table. You sit at the table unless you are actually sitting on top of one. अगर तुम चेयर पे बैठे हो, सामने टेबल है, दैट मीन्स यू आर सिटिंग एट द टेबल. और सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल कब होगा? जब तुम टेबल के ऊपर ही बैठे हुए हो. होपफुली ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स तुम्हें क्लियर हुए होंगे. नाउ यू कॉपी डाउन द आंसर्स. Now after this we are moving to lesson number 13, which is slithery snakes. Now the word slithery. Slithery means creatures or objects whose movement are, who have got smooth movement with twists and oscillations. Now children, we come to the lesson tick true or false. The first one. The black mamba is named after the color of its skin. This sentence is false. Actually, the correct sentence is the black mamba is named because of the inside of its mouth, not the color of its skin. Now we come to the second sentence. South America's green anaconda is a member of the boa family. This sentence is correct. True. Third one. King cobras are the only snakes in the world that build nests. Children, this sentence is again correct. So the answer is true. Fourth one. Burmese pythons have poor eyesight. Yes, children, this sentence is also true. We come to the fifth one. Death adders are non poisonous snakes that kill their prey by constricting them. Now, children, the meaning of this sentence. The word constricting, it means making narrower by encircling pressure. मतलब किसी के चारों तरफ लिपट जाना और उसको प्रेशर से उसको मारते चले जाना, उसको दबाते चले जाना, नैरो करते चले जाना. And death adders are actually, they are venomous and they kill by striking. This sentence is false. Death adders are poisonous snakes and they kill by striking. Now, the sixth sentence. The ridge-nosed and the diamondback are snakes that belong to the boa family. Again, this sentence is false. Ridge-nosed and diamondback are types of rattlesnake. Now we come to the seventh one, children. The eyelash palm pit viper gets its name for the upturned scales above its eyes. Now, children, this sentence is true. And these snakes, palm pit viper, they are found in Central and South America. Now, the fifth sentence. Taipans are a family of large, fast, and highly venomous snakes found in Europe. Children, this sentence is false. Taipans are a family of large, fast, and highly venomous snakes found in Australia. They are found in Australian region. Now we come to the footnote. Athris hispida, a venomous viper, is a native to Central Africa. मतलब एथरिस हिस्पीडा जो है वो सेंट्रल अफ्रीका में पाया जाता है. Its keeled dorsal scales give it a spiked appearance. It is also known as the hairy bush viper. Its keeled dorsal scales. What does it mean? मतलब इसको अगर टर्न ओवर किया जाए अपर साइड और द बैक ऑफ एन एनिमल, it has got spikes on it, which gives its name hairy bush viper. Now, children, hopefully you have understood these varieties of snakes which has been discussed in this lesson, and these are all slithery creatures. Children, now you copy down the answers. And children, your revision tests are approaching. Be prepared with the lessons and also listen to the information which has been given by the teacher in those videos. Also study the current affairs questions very carefully because they are very important, and pay attention to the questions also. Questions can also be framed from those questions again. So please be attentive in your preparing GK syllabus. Thank you, children.